Hi guys, it's Gaz here at the GAZWORLD channel. I'm just here at Harley World in Chesterfield, Derbyshire in the UK. I'm just doing a walk around review on this beautiful beast, the Harley Davidson 2022 Fat Boy Cruiser. This colour is vivid black with chrome trim. They do other colours, reef blue, mineral green denim and midnight crimson. This engine is a Milwaukee 8 114 V twin, 1868cc. It's got a power output of 94 brake horsepower at 5020 RPM. It's got 155 Newton meters of torque at 3250 RPM. Nice 114 detail in there, engraving in the chrome. Rubber footplate with Harley Davidson lettering, and that's a 6-speed gearbox. The ground clearance is 115mm. Beautiful finish on the chrome. Some detail in the stitching and the leather seat. I like to, if you watch my videos, you'll see that I like to go into detail and do some close-ups so you can actually see in more detail the bike. Single LED headlight, LED bullet style indicators front and rear. The front suspension is a dual bending valve at 49mm telescopic fork. It's got 130mm of travel. The wheels on this bike are 18-inch lakester aluminium disc with Michelin Scorcher tyres. I'll just have to go in and show you these beautiful wheels. They really are well made. Look at the detail on that. Awesome. The front brake is a 4-piston fixed brake caliper with a disc size of 300mm. If you like motorcycles, please subscribe to the channel, because like I say, I do close-up videos in 4K. They're all top brands. Fuel tank capacity is 18.9 litres. This bike does an average 45 miles to the gallon. 5-inch speedometer dial. Just show you some detail on the Harley Davidson tank badge. you've got your air filter, which has got a dust cover on it. Your brake. I'll just take this off so you can see detail of that. Awesome. That's your preload adjuster for your rear shock. It's hidden free piston, coilover monoshock at 43mm, and the rear suspension has got 86mm of travel. Just go into your rear brake, which is a 2-piston floating caliper with a disc size of 292mm. This bike's got a wet weight of 317 kilograms. With your silver coach lining on front and rear mudguard. It's your chain guard in chrome. You can definitely see quality of this bike. It's got a seat height at 675mm. It's got an overall length of 2370mm. Like I say, I just want to say thanks to Harley World in Chesterfield in Derbyshire for letting me film this beauty of a bike. If you're interested, the price on this is £21,395 on the road. Contact the sales team. I'll put a link to their website in the description below. It's always a pleasure actually filming these sort of bikes. Like I say, if you like bikes, please subscribe. I've been GAZWORLD, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.